Hey everyone, thanks for dropping by my kitchen. Let's go see what's cooking. Hey, welcome into my kitchen. Now today I'm going to be having an avocado tasting cook-off day. Let me show you what I mean. On my plate here, on this side here, I just have the olive oil with some Craig's APS seasoning. It's all I have on there. On this other side, I have salt and pepper, olive oil, and a little bit of garlic powder. So, off to the microwave. I've got my bacon all cooked up. It's hanging out over here. I've got my two avocado samples all cooked up, ready to go. Now I'm just going to cook up a couple of eggs to put over the top of it. Now I'm cooking these eggs in bacon grease, and when I do that I never salt them. I only put a little pepper on them. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle some bacon down here. Got my oven cooked toast. I like my eggs over medium, so they're over medium enough. Okay, there you go. Let the taste test begin. Okay, first one I'm going to do is the side with the APS. You know, there are some seasonings out there that are made that eliminates the use of the salt and the pepper. I don't know what it is, but they have everything in it. Now this is very good, I'm telling you. Right side's good. Now let's see what the left side is. This side is the salt and the pepper with the garlic. Oh, it is delicious. I have to tell you, no matter which way you go, whatever kind of seasoning that you like the best, on top of your avocado, when you cook it up with the olive oil, or if you're using the salt and the pepper and the garlic powder, you can't go wrong. This is the best breakfast I have come across in a long time. So, it's called Suit Yourself. Do what you think tastes better to you. I'm just giving you some examples. That's all I've got. I've got to eat my breakfast here. Oh, so good.